Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And today, we're going to be going over teaching you guys how to be able to maneuver on the app that you guys are going to have to know how to be proficient on just to simply be able to make money, right? So if you want to be able to copy and take the trades that I'm sending out, you need to know how to use this app. What am I talking about? I'm talking about MetaTrader 4. What types of trades are you going to be taking? Well, we're going to dive into that on the next clip. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels. And if you guys don't already know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we go any further so you guys can get all the videos first. And then whenever you see that subscribe button, right underneath it is going to be the thumbs up and the like button. Go ahead and tap on those as well, too. So today, as you guys saw in the thumbnail, what we're going to actually be going over is pending orders, okay? So what is a pending order? So it's going to be a two-part video series. The first part is going to be what is a pending order. The second part is going to be how to place a pending order, which obviously you'll do on MetaTrader 4. So if you guys don't know, there are 4 specific types in the Forex or leverage market of pending orders, okay? That's going to be a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, and a sell stop, okay? So buy limit and sell limit are similar. Obviously, buy means up, sell means down. Same concept for buy stop and sell stop. Buy means up, sell means down. So what you guys are actually looking at right now, and then by the way, if you don't know, what I want you guys to do is actually have a free Telegram, and the Telegram is going to give you guys access to all of my trades that I'm going to send out, okay? And I'm actually going to be one of the few people that's going to document my wins as well as my losses. So you're going to see YouTube videos for the losses as well. If you guys want to be able to tap into that, definitely make sure if you guys go to my YouTube channel, which will be Tyree Samuels, obviously already on the video. Any of my YouTube videos in the description, you're going to see join my free Legacy Wealth Telegram channel. If you click on that, you guys will be able to have the link that'll direct you to the Telegram. So what I want to be able to show you guys is this is actually a trade idea that I sent out. I ended up coming back and deleting it because it never activated. But this is a perfect example to show you guys a pending. So I'll be able to show you guys a pending for a buy and a sell. And then I'll show you guys examples for buy stop and sell stop. So let's first look at like a naked chart. So what exactly is a buy limit, okay? I'm gonna give you guys an example. Let's say that this is our entry, okay? Let's say that, actually, I don't need that. So let's say that this is gonna represent our entry, okay? So this is going to be a sell limit, okay? And then we'll have another one over here, right? Which will be a buy limit. Okay, so we're going to have a sell limit. We're also going to have a buy limit. Oh, so we'll have a sell limit. We'll also have a buy limit. All right. So this is going to be the difference between a buy limit and a sell limit, guys. I want you guys to focus. Okay. So normally, whenever you're taking a trade, you're going to have an area that you're looking to get in. Okay. Whether it be a zone, a specific, point of emphasis. When you're doing a buy limit or sell limit, you need an exact number. So if you're looking to get in at 8,200 or 8,500, then that's what you need to use, okay? So the way that this works is, let's say, for instance, this is going to represent the market, right? Now, in order for a sell limit to activate, we're going to put in a trade at a designated pricing point, and we would like to see the market hit that area first before it puts us in the trade. So whenever you're actually putting in a pending order, it's not immediately active, okay? It's going to be sitting there chilling, waiting for the opportunity to go ahead and start making some money, okay? So what you want to see in a sell limit is you want to see the market start from a low area and then start working its way up, okay? At the point to where the market works its way up to the entry that you were looking to get in, that is whenever your sell limit would then activate. It would then put you in the trade. And what you would then like to see is you would then like to see the market hit that sell limit. And then you would like to see it go in the opposite direction. So let me actually use the arrow for this example to give you guys a little bit better. So look, so you would like to see the market come up, right? Come up and hit the sell limit. Then you would like to see it reject off the sell limit and then start working its way down, okay? All right, I'm back. Sorry about that short pause, guys. I had some tea and I didn't want to burn the house down. All right, so back to what we were talking about. Whenever you have a sell limit, you would like to see the market start low, work its way up, right? And whenever it hits that sell limit, you then want to be able the market start to see working its way down. Okay, so this would be a sell limit. Now, obviously, you have to understand with trade, there is a risk. A risk means there's a potential chance to lose money. So yeah, it could, technically hit your sell limit and just keep going up. But obviously, that's why you have a stop loss, and that's why you use proper risk management. So what you would like to see is it hit the sell limit and then start working its way down. Okay. Now, a buy limit is the same concept, but in the opposite direction. So you would like to see a buy limit start high, work its way down. Then whenever it hits the area that you are looking for it to, get in on a trade. So for a buy limit, you would have to set the parameters similar to a sell limit. You're looking for a specific area you would like the market to get to before it activates. Now, once it hits the buy limit, what you would like to see is a market hit the buy limit and then start working its way up. So in a sell limit, you want to see the market work its way up, hit the area, and then start going down. In a buy limit, you want to see it start working its way down, hit the area, and then start going up. Okay. So that's going to be an example of a buy limit and sell limit. Now, let me show you guys an example of a buy stop and sell stop. Okay. A buy stop and sell stop. The other thing I want to be able to show you guys is please utilize Google. So if you guys actually go to Google and type in buy limit, it'll show you guys, different little visuals that you guys can take advantage of. So as you guys can see right here, if I go ahead and click on where it says images, you guys will be able to see exactly what it's going to look like whenever you guys are looking for buy limits and sell limits. So these are going to be some of the concepts that you guys can use to kind of give you guys a little better visual representation. So you can see all these examples and they're pretty similar to basically what I'm showing you. Okay. So the next thing that you guys want to be able to utilize is going to be a buy stop and a sell stop. So all I got to do is change this to stop. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. So a buy stop and sell stop. Now these are different. So the context of it being a buy or a sell is similar. A sell stop, you would like it to go down. A buy stop, you would like it to go up. Okay. Now, the difference is with a sell stop, you want to be able to see the market basically go right through this. So with a buy limit or sell limit, you want to see the market hit an area and then react off of it. Hit an area and react off of it. That's for a buy limit, right? Or a sell limit. Now for a buy stop or sell stop, you want to be able to see the market hit this area and then just keep dropping below it. Okay. So this is you predicting that the market is eventually going to break past this area and just keep dropping. Similar in a buy stop. So in a buy limit, you would like to see the market come down, hit the area, and then work its way up. But in a buy stop, you want to see the market start low, come up, break through this area, and then continue going. So those are going to be the drastic differences between a buy stop and a sell stop. A sell stop, you want to see the market start high and then basically drop through the entry and keep working its way down. In a buy stop, you want to see the market start low, come up, hit the entry, and then keep moving up. Okay, so hopefully you guys now understand the dynamic and the difference of a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Me personally, I obviously know how buy stop and sell stop work. I do not use those in my proactive trading, but that doesn't mean that that's not something that you're going to do. Okay. So this is going to be an example of basically what I was looking for one of these trade ideas, which is NZD CAD. Okay. So on NZD CAD, what I want you guys to be able to look at is this is an example of a buy limit. So basically what I wanted to see was this line that's yellow. This is the exact area I would like to see the market come back to before I get in the trade. So remember what I want to see. In a buy limit, I want to see the market start high, come back to my entry, okay? And then once it hits my entry, what I would then like to see is it start working its way up. Similar to this, okay? So once again, in a buy limit, I want to see the market come down, hit the entry, which is represented by my yellow line. Then I would like to see it work its way back up. Okay. Now, what would be an example of a sell limit? So I can actually show you guys an example of a sell limit. I'll just use USD JPY. Show you guys an example of a sell limit. Now we'll do gold. Do this gold example. All right. So yeah, we'll do this right here. All right. So let's say, for instance, we'll just do a quick example. Okay. Let's say, for instance, I wanted my sell limit for whatever reason to be right here. Okay. So let's just say my sell limit is now represented by this yellow line right here. Okay. Notice where the current market is. It's right here. So what do we want to see in a sell limit? What we like to see is we like to see the market, right, come up, hit this yellow line. Then once it hits that yellow line, we would then like to be able to see it give us a reaction to then start working its way down. So this would be a sell limit. So we want to see the market work up, hit our entry, and then react to then start working its way down. So if I actually were to hit this play button, you guys will see that the market hit the yellow line, right? Reacted a little bit. It didn't exactly hit the yellow line and then immediately start going. So it's not going to be an exact area. It's just a roundabout. But as you see, eventually, a roundabout, when it hit the yellow line, it did start giving us that drop that we currently see represented right now. Okay. So that's going to be an example of a buy limit and sell limit. Now let's look at an example of a buy stop and sell stop. Okay. So for instance, right, let's just say that this area right here, I want to be able to use a buy stop. Okay. So how would I use a buy stop? A buy stop would mean I would like to see the market come up, hit this area, and then keep going. So assuming that I think the market is going to keep going up versus waiting for it to get here, I can set a buy stop. And as soon as it hits this area, it's going to put me in a trade. And if it continues to go up, then I would be in profit. That is a buy stop. Now, vice versa, say that we wanted to use a sell stop. Okay. I could look for something like this, right? And then say, for instance, this market doesn't go up, it starts, right, working its way back down. So at that point, what I would want to see is I want to see this market come back, right, hit this yellow line, which would represent my entry for the sell stop. And then I would like to see it continue going down. So I want to see it hit the entry and then continue going down. For a buy stop, I want to see it hit the entry and continue going up. So with that being said, guys, these are going to be examples of the 4 primary pending orders you're going to use in a foreign exchange and or leverage market. And if you guys were able to come to this video and learn anything new, please don't be shy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because as you guys know, I've been inconsistent, but I'm more consistent now. And 2022 is going to be the year to where we drop in videos every single day. And right underneath the subscribe button, you guys are going to see the thumbs up. You're also going to see the like button. And with that being said, you guys know the motto. I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when you want to be. Peace.